we have a recommendation of refusal in front of us, which is the first reason for it is the applicant has not demonstrated that the national need for indigenous oil and gas supply and mix could not be met by locating elsewhere outside the South Downs National Park, or met in some other way, or that the proposal can be undertaken without a damaging effect on the landscape and the recreational opportunities it provides. It then gives the policy reasons for that. The second reason for refusal is the proposed development by reason of the type, height and scale of the industrial development proposed would adversely affect the landscape character, brackets including the remote and rural character of this part of the Milan Basin, close brackets, tranquility and experiential qualities of the landscape. Furthermore, the increase in heavy vehicle movements along Van Road associated with the proposed development would lead to an unacceptable impact on residential amenity by reason of increase in noise and disturbance given the peace and tranquility of the area away from main roads. Again, policy reasons to support that. And the third reason for refusal is that the applicant, by reason of insufficient information, has failed to demonstrate the satisfaction of the South Downs National Park Authority that the proposed development would not give rise to an unacceptable level of noise associated with all aspects of the proposed operational development, resulting in harm to the amenity of A, local residents, and B, potential appreciation of Fernhurst Furnace, a scheduled ancient monument as now existing. That is the recommendation. Could I have a proposer for that recommendation? Alan Aylesbury is seconded by David Jenkins. Could all in favour of the recommendation to refuse please show? That is a unanimous decision. Thank you very much indeed. Could I remind you that we do have some more business, so if you are, unless you'd like to stay, could you please leave the room?